Have you ever tasted liquid gold? That's raw honey. This incredible elixir is much more than a sweetener. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Raw honey has a rich history. Ancient civilizations celebrated it. Egyptians used it for healing. Now it's back in the spotlight. First, let's talk about health benefits. Raw honey boosts immunity. It helps wounds heal faster. It's also great for gut health. Its natural enzymes support digestion. Next, consider the origins of raw honey. Honeybees create it from flower nectar. Each type reflects the local flora. This makes every jar unique. Ever wondered how to consume raw honey? You can drizzle it on yogurt. It makes a lovely addition to smoothies. But avoid using it in hot drinks. Heat can destroy its nutrients. Now let's explore types of raw honey. Manuka honey stands out for its benefits. Local varieties are also great. Watch out for fake honey though. Always check for pure varieties. What about scientific studies? Research shows honey helps with coughs. It can even combat MRSA bacteria. Plus, it supports healthy blood sugar levels. In traditional medicine, honey plays a key role. Ayurveda considers it a healing agent. Hippocrates recommended it for various ailments. This ancient insight holds weight today. To wrap it all up, raw honey is more than delicious. It's a potent superfood. Incorporating it into your routine is wise. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, it's a reminder of nature's incredible offerings. From ancient healing practices to modern nutrition, this golden nectar has endured, continually proving its worth. So, next time you reach for that jar, think about all the wisdom and tradition bottled up within it. Picture this. You're stirring a dollop of raw honey into your morning oatmeal, watching as it glistens and melds into the warm grains. With every bite, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat, you're energizing your body with natural sugars and essential nutrients. This simple act transforms an ordinary meal into an extraordinary experience, tapping into the age-old benefits that honey has offered throughout history. Raw honey's versatility extends beyond breakfast. Imagine creating a velvety salad dressing, whisking together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and a splash of that golden elixir. Have you ever spotted a jar of Manuka honey on a shelf and wondered what makes it so special? Recognized for its distinct properties, Manuka honey is revered not only for its taste, but also for its unique healing qualities derived from the nectar of the Manuka tree. This extraordinary honey is a testament to nature's diversity, making it a prized addition to your wellness arsenal. By savoring its sweetness, you're embracing nature's healing properties while creating delicious meals. So, let's continue this journey toward better health with raw honey as our guide. The content in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance regarding your health. Do not disregard or delay seeking medical advice based on anything presented here. Hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe for more, and share with your friends. Appreciate the support.